According to McKinsey, 20-25% of global workforce could be replaced by automation by 2030. We are talking about 800 million jobs here. If you look at US alone, we are talking over 45% job replacement by automation. We all are living in a world where automation has taken over the human workforce. The future of work is driven by automation, and the present education system is not keeping up with the transformation. Today, we have over 40% US workforce which is contingent, on-demand workers, freelancers, independent contractors, etc., which is going to become over 50% by 2030. If you look at Gen Zs, we are already forecasting their average job tenure is going to be 2 to 5 years. So an average Gen Z is going to see 10 to 20 jobs in their lifetime. That is the workforce of future. Clearly, entrepreneurial and innovative mindset is the need of the hour. And Moonshot Junior's Entrepreneurship and Leadership Development Program, or ELDP, is here to nurture the workforce of tomorrow at scale. One of the inspiring leaders, Gururaj Deshpande, gives a beautiful definition of entrepreneurship. When you look at the world, it is what it is. First, you have to see what it is.
But then you don't stop there. You dream about what it can be. So, and there's thousands of things right around you that don't have to be the way they are. They can be better. So the thinkers will think about this, and that's where they stop, right?
But the entrepreneur, they're going to make it happen without knowing how. They might not have knowledge, they might not have money, resources, not really much, but the desire and passion to make that difference. An entrepreneur will find a way that gives an entrepreneur the energy, inner strength to make things really happen. So our ELDP program focuses on bridging the gap between perceiving an idea and being an innovator and entrepreneur. It also introduces an intuitive, creative mind to a viable, sought-after alternative career choices. The ELDP program helps in launching a product, learning the tricks of the trade, analyzing employability prospects, starting a business from scratch, applying for college admissions, future internship and job, learning with failures, building resilience, two very strong foundational pillars for an entrepreneur, and ultimately getting you ready for the future of work. ELDP program introduces a young student to aspects of innovation and entrepreneurship that are essential, like critical thinking, various stages of design thinking, empathy, ideation, prototyping, testing, financing and funding, and much more. Our extensive program is imparted by global industry leaders like successful entrepreneurs, subject matter experts, TEDx speakers, and more, belonging to a different walk of life. Students get to work in teams, brainstorm an idea, prepare a business plan, pitch their ideas to global leaders, compete with other teams, and winners also get an opportunity to take their idea to the next level. Our hope with ELDP program, if you talk to a successful entrepreneur, a scientist, leader, they may recall a project, a teacher, a course, a program from their childhood, which really inspired them, motivated them. We aspire to make the ELDP program one of them. And our goal with this program, this will help transformation of curious minds, so our student can be successful in any career which they pursue. And a percentage of students, maybe small, will have a huge impact on this world by building life-changing products, companies, and creation of employment for the masses and make a world a better place. If you like to play a part in empowering the future of tomorrow, if you are influential and think that today's generation need to be upskilled, then help us connect with your alma mater, your colleges, schools, NGOs, and more to spread the program. We also have several sponsorship opportunities, including supporting underprivileged students. We strongly believe with ELDP program, out of every few hundred students, we can create a world-changing leader. Even with the small steps, together we can create a ripple effect on what happens tomorrow. Thank you.